In this video, I'm going to show you how to add images into your frog page and how to organise it to make it look tidy. So I'm back into my files, school departments, and in the department I've made called training, and I'm going to open up the frog page that I want to add some things to. Right, so at the minute I've got my title and I've got that link I made earlier and I've got some folders, but actually I want to tidy this up a bit and make it look a little bit more interesting. So I'm going to go to edit page, and that brings us up the blue frog bricks that we're used to. Now at the minute I've got my training files here, but I've got this big blank over here, and what I really want is I want to be able to put a picture in. Now the only way that you can do that is by giving spaces to put pictures in. So we need to separate out the page a little bit, and the way that we can do that is we can use these column bricks. Now here I've got 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 or 5. In this case I only want 2 columns, and I'm going to drag and drop it onto my page. And what you can see is that we've actually got 1 column here and 1 there. These are spaces in which we can put stuff. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my training files thing, I'm going to drag that onto one side, because actually I don't want it to take up the whole screen. So now that is in one half of the page. On the other side I want to put my image. So to do that I'm going to need to use the text and pictures brick. Hold it down, drag it, drop it into the box that you want to leave it in. And just like normal, double click on it and that will bring up our page. Now if you look along the top, the one that we're going to be interested in this case is going to be insert image. And if I click on that, it takes us into frog again. Now what it will probably do is take you right to the top of frog like this. Now if your image is already in frog, then that's fine, you can just go and find it. If however, like me, you've got your image saved on the computer somewhere, you do need to upload that into frog, otherwise you won't be able to see it. And you could use this button here and upload it straight away, and it would upload into this section here, but this is the top of frog. You would find it very difficult to find that image again, and it makes frog a bit messy. So what we really want to do is save it into a space that we've already made. So we're going to use the same pathway that we always use: frog learning platform, editable documents, resources, school departments, and then I've made that training department, and I'm just going to put my picture in here so I know where it is in future. If I was planning on putting a whole load of pictures in there, I might make a new folder and call it pictures or images or something like that. But as I've only got one picture, there's no need this time. Right, I need to go and find my picture now. So if I go to browse, that will open up into my computer, and I can find the picture. Now the one I've got is here, and I'm going to press open, and it's there. Now it doesn't upload into frog until you press the upload button, so make sure you do that. And you can see that it's now uploading it into frog, and there's the picture that I've uploaded. If I then press OK, the picture's there, but as you can see the picture is huge. I don't want the picture that big, and actually it will change the whole size of the page putting in a picture that big. So just use the corners at the bottom, much like you would in a Word document, just to make it smaller. And there you go. I'm happy with my frog like that, maybe a little bit smaller. And once I'm happy with the size of it, I think I want it in the middle as well. I'm going to press OK, and then my picture of my frog is now embedded in the page. So that's how you insert an image and make your page look tidy by using a column brick. Publish and exit, and that's my page.